Hi class, we are going to do a red word review. So I need you to get a piece of paper and a pencil. So at the end of this, you are going to write a sentence. We'll do it together, we'll practice, it's all good. And get ready to arm tap, okay? So I'm going to show you a card. We're going to get into our arm tapping position. If you forgot, let me remind you. You're going to hug a beach ball. The hand that you write with, right? The hand that you write your name with, that is the arm that you're going to tap with, okay? So parents, if you're listening, that's what they're going to do. They're going to hug a beach ball with one arm and they're going to use the handwriting hand to tap, okay? So padres, los niños van a abrazar una pelota de playa y con la mano que escriben van a tocar su otro brazo, okay? So let's begin. So the first word is, let's see if you can read it. I know some of you can because some of you already did. M-E, me. Good job. Me. So let's arm tap it and then I'll tell you a sentence with the word me. M-E, me. M-E, me. M-E, me. Very good. We're going to arm tap 3 times, okay? I'm going to tell you a sentence so that you can understand the meaning of the word better. So, me. Come with me to the store. Me. So the reason why we arm tap is to help us remember the spelling. That way when we see it, even if you can't read it or you may have trouble reading it, you're going to see me. You're going to go, M-E, me. Oh! And it just comes to you, okay? So the arm tapping is to help you remember. Here's our next word, four. Four. Not the number 4. Oh, no, this is a different 4, okay? F-O-R, 4. F-O-R, 4. F-O-R, 4. These flowers are for my mother. 4. Good job, boys and girls. Next word, C. C. S-E-E. C. S-E-E. C. S-E-E. C. I see you. Okay, next word. R. R. A-R-E. R. A-R-E. R. Now, as you can see, I'm not tapping super hard. Be good to yourself. If you want to do it a little harder, that's fine. I just like to, gently touch my arm. But you do what you want, but don't hurt yourself. Miss Medina loves you and cares about you, okay? A-R-E, R. A-R-E, R. Good job. You are doing a wonderful job. R. 2. 2. Do not confuse this with the number 2. Okay, this is a different 2. 2. T-O. 2. T-O. 2. T-O. 2. T-O. 2. I am going to the store. Do you want to come? 2. Saw. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. I saw my friend at the park. Saw. My. My. M-Y. My. M-Y. My. M-Y. My. That is my apple on the table. My. Here's our last word for this video. Was. Was. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S. Was. W-A-S, was. I was so tired yesterday, but now I feel better. Good job arm tapping, okay? So anytime you're reading a book, or if you're, around your neighborhood, if you're somewhere where you can recognize a word but you don't remember exactly how to read it, arm tap it. It might come to you right away. You might say, that says M-E, me. Okay, boys and girls, the arm tapping will help you a lot. So now's the time to grab a piece of paper or a sheet of paper and your pencil. I'm going to use my mini board and my dry erase marker. My dry erase marker. So the sentence that we are going to write has 4 words. Before we begin writing, I just want to remind you about COPS. C-O-P-S, COPS. So COPS is going to help us become better writers. So what COPS means is, C is for capitalization. So the first letter of your first word is going to be a capital letter or an uppercase letter or a big letter, however you find it easier to remember. Organization. Are your words separate? Do you have finger spaces in between your words? Are you writing your letters where they belong in the house? You're not writing everything in the attic, are you? Okay. Organized. Does it look organized? Punctuation. Do you have punctuation at the end of your sentence? If it's a question, you put a question mark. If it's a statement like a surprise or an emotional statement, you put an exclamation mark. If it's just something regular, you just put a period. Okay, boys and girls? So punctuation. Spelling. Are all of your red words spelled correctly? Are your CVC words spelled correctly? That's spelling. So whenever we write a sentence, we're always going to make sure that we have capitalization, that our sentence is organized, that we have punctuation, and that we spelled everything correctly. So our sentence today is, I saw my pet. I saw my pet. You're going to have 4 words. So the first one is I. I is a red word. So how do we spell it? I don't remember. So let's arm tap it, okay? I. I says I. So that's the easiest one. I saw. We actually practiced that a few minutes ago. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Okay. S-A-W. Saw. I saw my. We did that too a few minutes ago. My. My. M-Y. My. Pet. That's not a red word. That's a CVC word. That's a word that we can pound and tap. So let's pound it together. Pet. P-et. Pet. So pet. P-p. Who says p-p-p? P says p-p-p. Eh. Who says eh? Pet. Eh. Oh, eh. Like an eh smile. Like E. T. Who says t? That super tall letter. T. Okay, so let's check our work. Capitalization is the first letter in our first word capitalized. Yes, it is. Good job. Organization. So we have finger spaces in between our words. Yes, we do. Punctuation. This is just a statement. So we should have a period. We've got it. Spelling. I, that's spelled correctly, S-A-W for saw, M-Y for my, pet, P-Et, pet. Excellent. We did our work and we did it correctly. All right? So boys and girls, don't forget to write your sentence. Don't forget to practice your red words. Oh, excuse me, okay? So I want you to practice your red words, practice arm tapping. I have other videos where I'm practicing my red words. Please watch those, okay? I miss you and I hope you're all doing well.